Well, how did you enjoy that then? I think this locomotive is lovely. It arrived with me back in 2007. I removed the horrid DCC wires between the tender and engine on day one. If you enjoyed the steam sounds, then you must thank my fellow enthusiast STJR7F88 Callum, and you should definitely check out his amazing video of a real live Ivatt 2MT in action. I'll put a link in the video information box. Thanks also to Andy Slater from BR Dieselweb for his Class 20 sound. 128 Ivatt 2MT 260 locomotives were built between 1946 and 1952. Originally designated as Class 2F locomotives, whilst under LMS ownership, the Class 2 Ivatt was the first modern small engine built for Britain for many years. The Ivatt 260 became the basis for the almost identical Riddle's standard Class 2, Class 7800 series locomotives. Now, a number of you have asked how I get the running shots, where here you see another engine, the Lancashire and Yorkshire tank, pushing the Mobius camera on its little truck. This may be of particular interest to my friend Donny from the RM web forum. And here you see where I synchronise the speed of the locos to get the close-up running shot. It's as simple as that, and the Mobius is a great little camera. The Ivatt 2MT could be found at work on all regions of BR, with the exception of the southern region, and they last until 1967. 7 have survived into preservation.